So today's web dev tip is all about transforming text with CSS. And when we say transforming text, we mean basically changing it to either uppercase or lowercase. So if you've got some data that's come back from an API, for example, and maybe some of it is in lowercase and you want it to be in uppercase, instead of actually using JavaScript to loop through all of the items that have come back and then use the to uppercase or to lowercase functions that are available to you, we can actually do the same thing just using some CSS if all you need to change is the way the text is presented. So let's have a look at how this works. Let's say, for example, we had a block of text, just some filler lorem ipsum text, for example. So obviously we've got uppercase and lowercase characters in here at the moment. Let's say we wanted to make the whole block of text uppercase. So how do we do that? Well, if we go to our style sheet, we can target that p tag that's inside of the block and then just use the text transform property and then set it to uppercase. So simple as that. You can see all of the text, although in the markup it has uppercase and lowercase letters, the actual way it's been presented with CSS is to transform all of the characters to uppercase. And of course there's a corresponding lowercase property as well. We can make sure all of the text is in lowercase if that's what we want. So those two values are quite useful to pass to text transform, but you can also use a capitalize property as well. And what that does, if you look at the text on the right hand side, is that every word that's inside of our markup is actually now starting with a capital letter. So that might be really used, for example, if you've got someone's name and it comes all in uppercase or lowercase and you want to capitalize it so that you've got the first letter of each part of their name in uppercase. So that's pretty much all there is to it for CSS text transforms. Stay tuned for more web dev tips.